In deburring, polishing, and insertion tasks, the lack of force sensing in robots can result in damage to tools or workpieces. With the robot having force sensing capability, then setting the movement path and force direction can be a challenge. TM robots' force-related features make force-based applications effortless. By selecting trajectory, the robot moves precisely along the deburring path, and the force coordinate system adapts to the trajectory, eliminating the need for manual force direction adjustments. Paths can be freehand guide or generated via simulation software for complex paths. This approach applies to other force-related tasks, like workpiece on hand deburring or polishing, where the force reference coordinate can be a fixed point. Trajectories are useful not only for machining but also in assembly or insertion tasks, ensuring compliance and preventing damage due to rigidity. Understanding these force control settings, combined with TM Robot's vision capabilities, unites hand, eye and force, making smart manufacturing more seamless and effective.